Good morning, class. Today, after studying electric current, we are going to study electric potential. Imagine that you have two beakers filled with equal amount of water, and they are both connected to each other by a pipe at the bottom. If you observe the two beakers for a few seconds, do you think that the water will flow from one beaker to another? No. You will see that the water in both beakers is S, and there is no flow from any beaker to the other. Now, let me give you a task. Without changing the amount of water in any of the beakers, can you make the water flow from beaker 2 to beaker 1? Understand my question again. You need to make the water flow from beaker 2 to beaker 1. But you are not allowed to change the amount of water in any of the beakers. So you can't add or remove the water from any of the beaker. How will you do it? One of the things you can do it is to raise the height at which the second beaker is kept, so that the gravity of the earth will make the water flow down. Once it is raised at a height, the water will flow from beaker 2 to beaker 1. What exactly happened here? What was the factor that made the water flow? In simple terms, the factor was height. You can talk about gravity or pressure difference. But in common terms, it is the pressure difference that caused the water to flow from the second beaker to the first. Exactly in similar way, for electricity to flow, there has to be some factor. We will come to that factor. So if we have a copper wire, do you think electricity will flow through it? Clearly not, because there is nothing that triggers it. What is the factor that triggers it, the flow of electricity? It is called potential difference. Have you heard the word potential before? Yes, we have heard it in class 9. Potential energy, which means stored energy, when an object is at rest. When you are holding a ball in your hand, it has potential energy. When you drop it, potential energy gets converted to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body when it is in motion. Similarly, there is a concept of electric potential energy. Electric potential energy of any charge describes how much stored energy it has. Like the ball in your hand has high potential energy, a negative charge close to another negative charge has high potential energy. If left free, it will be repelled by a negative charge and will move towards the positive charge, just like the ball will fall towards the earth. Then what is the potential difference then? It is just the difference of electric pressure between the 2 points, and this difference may arise because of battery consisting of cells. Potential difference is also referred to as voltage. If we have to understand the definition, then we would say work done in moving a unit charge from one point to another. Potential difference is denoted by V equals to work done is denoted by W by charge denoted by Q. We know that work is measured in joules and charge in coulomb. What is the SI unit of potential difference? It is volt. It is named after an Italian physicist, Alessandro Volta. How would you define volt in a current carrying conductor? It is the potential difference between any 2 points while 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. Potential difference is measured by an instrument called voltmeter. It is measured in parallel across the point between which the potential difference is to be measured. In the next video, we will give you more definitions and questions relating to potential difference. Thank you.